In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ChatGPT to write better LinkedIn content. To get started, open LinkedIn in your browser and go to the area where you want help. This could be a post you're drafting, a comment you want to leave, a message you need to send, or even part of your profile that you'd like to improve. Before you move on, take a moment to decide exactly what you want the AI to help you with. Being clear about the goal makes the results much more useful. For example, you might want your writing to sound more polished, more confident, more concise, or more profound, professional. Once you know what you need, open ChatGPT in another tab. Keeping both LinkedIn and ChatGPT open at the same time makes the process much smoother because you can quickly move back and forth between them. Now, copy the LinkedIn content you already have if you've written something, or simply explain the task in your own words if you're starting from scratch. The more context you provide, the better the response will usually be. If it's a message, you can mention the tone you want. If it's a post, you can explain the audience or purpose. If it's a profile section, you can describe your experience and what impression you want to make. Next, ask ChatGPT to write or improve the LinkedIn content. You can keep your request simple or be more specific by asking for a professional tone, clearer wording, stronger structure, or a shorter version. This is where AI can save time and help you get past the blank page feeling, especially if you know what you want to say but aren't sure how to phrase it. When ChatGPT gives you a result, review the output carefully. This step is important. AI can help with wording and structure, but it may not always reflect your exact intent, voice, or facts. Read through everything slowly and make sure it says what you actually mean. After that, edit the wording so it sounds personal and professional. Try to make it feel like something you would genuinely say. A good LinkedIn post or message should sound natural, not robotic. You want the final version to reflect your personality while still being clear and polished. Once you're happy with it, paste the final version into LinkedIn. Give it one last quick read, then publish it, send it, or save the updated profile section. And that's it. You've used ChatGPT to make your LinkedIn writing faster, easier, and more effective.